An important video for today because many people now have been exhausted and they see the drama around Kaspa on X and not only on YouTube from some TA gurus. And I say gurus and literally I would like to say something else, but they try to convince everyone that the trend line is bearish and we're going to head back to 5 cents, 4 cents, while other projects are down the same percentages. And they don't speak bad for these projects. I cannot understand the reason of the hate specifically on Kaspa. Like, they hate Kaspa like they have been traumatized from it. I cannot understand that. I'm going to be very honest about the recent TA. As I have told you yesterday, it's looking bad from a TA side. But from fundamental side, and we are here to buy, hold, and wait the altcoin season to happen to take profits. Like, that's the whole concept. And that can happen like even by the end of 2025, Q3, Q4. I have explained to you all the reasons why I believe it can happen and mostly will happen in Q3 and Q4 with the US Strategic Reserve Plan that will play a big role. Okay, the Bitcoin Strategic Reserve Plan, I believe way later of the year, actually US will begin buying these massive amounts of BTC that they will have in their plan for the year. I mean, at least after Q2, I don't see that happening in Q1, like for US to buy BTC in Q1. And of course, the upcoming FOMC meetings will determine when we're going to have actually this new liquidity that will flow inside of the market. So that's why I believe Q3, Q4 will peak out the altcoin season. So selling now Kaspa, the strongest fundamental project, because the TA is looking bearish and because the fish panic selling, it's ridiculous. Like, big whales are under accumulation. They buy massive amounts. And actually, if they had a plan to shake out the streams and the retail investors, they have achieved that perfectly. Because now Kaspa is in ridiculous low prices. And you're going to tell me, Chris, what are you talking about? It's dropping every single day the last couple of days. Yes, I agree. But every single project has experienced a big dump. And I will compare it with Tau, because everyone, and I say the majority of the people on Tau are incredibly bullish, but the majority of the people on Kaspa currently spread FUD. And you see here Tau that is standing at $364. And I compare Kaspa with Tau because both of these projects came out the same year and they have performed the same way. But Tau has experienced better fundamental approach by the institutions and by the tier 1 exchanges. I mean, like, it's already listed on Binance, on crypto.com for months. Coinbase put Tau under their roadmap. And also, guys, Grayscale has integrated Tau in their trust. So you see that Tau, from a fundamental standpoint, it's standing stronger than Kaspa. And that's why some people don't panic around Tau. But in reality, let's see if from all of these advantages that Tau has, if it's standing in reality stronger than Kaspa. You see Tau here down 51%, and you see Kaspa from the all-time high that happened in August until now, it's down 56%. The difference is very, very small. And the chaos on Kaspa now that you see influencers selling and spreading FUD that it will go back to 3 cents, 2 cents, it's over, it's bear market for Kaspa and stuff like that, is not happening on Tau. Like, Kaspa is standing very strong according to what's happening with other projects. Like, if the current drama would happen on other project, like the other project would have dropped very, very low from a price action to at least 70% down. And Kaspa, even if it has that much hate, it's standing around 55 within 56% down. And here I would like to say that Kaspa in the upcoming months is going to have all the catalysts that can skyrocket Kaspa from here into crazy levels. People don't pay attention to these things because They are very emotional, but in reality, and we have seen that plenty of times, a direction can change because the fundamental news in just a couple hours. And right now, if Binance is going to list Kaspa, you can see a massive rally, a massive reversal to the upside, or whatever fundamental XYZ news will come out that are going to be very bullish for Kaspa. Kaspa will reverse from here. Anyway, I would like to say a couple things for that, because if you're going to pick Q3, Q4, and here Kaspa is 9 cents and we're about to have 10 blocks per second and all of the other huge catalyst of things that will come, guys, these are insanely cheap prices. You're going to laugh that you bought these prices, and you're going to cry if you were selling these prices. You are selling the strongest fundamental project since inception of Bitcoin in the worst prices that you could absolutely sell. This 9 cents area maybe is the last time that you will ever see Kaspa at 9 cents live, because if you're gonna move into the bull run and Kaspa actually will deliver everything that we are expecting, the bull run will happen, and once the bear market will follow, Kaspa maybe won't drop back to these levels. These levels should be appreciated, otherwise you will regret it. That's my own opinion. You need to pay attention to the details, and if you are here to buy and hold and wait the altcoin season to happen, for me, the worst mistake of your life is to sell Kaspa at the 9 cents zone. Anyway, it was a general message. The market, it seems that is about to recover slowly. You see Bitcoin back to $99,000. We have the highest price today, the time that I'm recording the video. We are inside of this box. As I have told you, I'm waiting for a breakout of this box to the upside. I don't know when it's going to happen. We can move sideways. It can happen today, tomorrow, next week, by the end of the month. I don't know. But I don't believe that Bitcoin will drop below $91,500, only with a very bearish fundamental news that will come out from nowhere that no one is expecting. I can see Bitcoin below $91,500. Otherwise, institutions are buying. Market makers cannot manipulate more the price. They have been exhausted. And it's impossible, once you got the institutions and the big whales around Bitcoin, to drop Bitcoin below $91,500. Only a reasonable fundamental news can drop Bitcoin much lower than this support. So we wait for a breakout of $101,000, and we're about to keep moving slowly up until the rate cuts, and a deal, of course, the US to begin buy BTC. And from the Kaspa technical standpoint, guys, I'm going to be very honest and real. TA is looking bad, okay? Do I care? Absolutely not. Do I sell to buy lower if it's going to drop lower back to 5, 6, 7 cents, 8 cents? No. If it's going to drop lower, you should buy, okay? I have my bags back from 2023. I have loaded up disgusting amounts of Kaspa back to these levels. The situations back in the days were similar because also, and more dramatic, I can say, because Kaspa wasn't recognizable as it is now. It was just a project with some multi-million market cap. Now it's a multi-billion market cap project. So guys, for me, I don't see Kaspa dropping that much low. Of course, I don't see Kaspa following this technical price target of this symmetrical triangle that has a technical price target back to 5 cents. And I believe also there is a massive probability to reverse and close above the 9.3 cents. For me, we had two supports here, the 10 cents area and also the 9.3 cents area. These areas are here very big diamond zones to buy insanely cheap. Like a 2x from here is nothing, back to 18 cents. So whatever you buy here, you're gonna see 2x insanely fast. And below 9 cents, like back to 7 cents, it's a legendary zone. So selling here, I think, is stupid. It's not financial advice. If you feel comfortable to sell, sell. I'm not here to convince you to hodl. I'm just telling you what I would do if I were you. And as I told you earlier, there is a probability to see Kaspa to recover and close the candle above the 9.3 cents support. Even if it now seems that it's breaking and we are going for a confirmation, there is a probability for a reversal, especially if Bitcoin will keep moving up and we're going to have some breath on the altcoins. Maybe Kaspa will follow. The reason that Kaspa actually didn't follow the reversal of Tau, and Tau right now is up and Kaspa is down, is because some influencers are selling on X and they create drama. And of course, they impact and they influence some streams that they don't know what they're holding. And I would like to tell you also that the 9.3 cents area is very important, because if you look in the past, it was a very strong resistance, and also we retested that as a support as well. So there is a chance to do not break below the 9.3 cents and actually close this daily candle above that. So maybe a consolidation phase at the 9.3 cents within 10 cents area until we're gonna have the breakout in an afterwards phase. We will see. We're gonna evaluate that, guys. Every single day I'm gonna cover Kaspa and Bitcoin, so we will see. I'm not selling Kaspa. There is no reason to do that, and all you should do now is just to research Kaspa, buy and hodl. That's what you should do. Everything else, it's super risky. So, and now for the people who would like to store their Kaspa with the safest way, guys, use Tazem wallet, use self-custody. This is the reason that we are here. You should have the ownership of your Kaspa. And for me, the best cold wallet to do that is the Tazem wallet. I highly recommend you to use it because I use it and I'm very satisfied customer. And if you're going to go through my link that you're going to find in the description, it's going to put you on this page where I recommend you to go with a 3-card set. Safety is your priority here. In the promo code section, write CryptoChris, Chris with Y, not with I, to grab 10% off a discount, and click the payment method, click order, and sleep safe at night. And for the people who would like to buy Kaspa, guys, I recommend you to go and buy Kaspa from my links, because if you're going to go through Mex or Bybit, you can have up to 8,000 USDT bonus from Mexi and up to $30,000 from Bybit. All you have to do is to click the link, sign up, deposit, and you can have a bonus up, depends your deposits. So thank you very much, guys, for your support. I will see you all in my next video. Until my next video, Chris out. Bye.